Hey guys, it's Missy Lynn, or welcome back to my channel. Today's video is an exciting video because I'm super excited about it, and I know you guys are too, because you guys have been begging me to do more home decor videos. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to be styling my home office bookcases, and this video will be helpful for you if you have some bookcases of your own, or you're thinking about getting some for your office or for your living room. You can use my tips and tricks to actually style them. But before we hop into filming today's video, I want to give a huge thank you to today's sponsor, June's Journey. So June's Journey is a hidden object mystery game, and it's basically about a detective named June, and she is basically trying to solve the murder of her sister and also unlock some family secrets. And throughout the game, you see a bunch of beautiful, colorful scenes. I like playing this game because I like anything that's mystery related. I like trying to solve things and put pieces together. So it's been very fun for me to play because it's very relaxing. You really have to like observe the whole scene and try to figure out where the objects are. Sometimes I'd be stressed out about it, but it's so much fun. Sometimes I can't find little objects in the picture, and then I'm like stressing out about it because I can't even move on until I find all of the pieces. We have to solve this murder. And there's also this estate where you can like decorate and beautify the estate while you're trying to solve the mystery. With the money that you make in the game, you can like buy, like I just bought a patio set, and I'm about to start decorating. So y'all check it out if y'all are into mystery games. Let me know if you really like it because I'd be on the couch all day playing that game. So when styling your bookshelf, it should totally reflect who you are. I like to spend some time collecting inspiration photos and thinking about the different elements that I want to incorporate before I actually start styling. And then I go through my house and I look at all of the home decor that I already have to see if I can kind of move things around and move them into my office, use them somewhere else, and just kind of keep it going that way. That way I don't have to break the bank if I don't have to. Once I'm done scavenging throughout the house, I head over to stores with really good discounts like Hobby Lobby, Tuesday Morning, even thrift stores. And I look for elements that will fit within my theme and that would go with like my personality. So I look for vases and natural elements, figurines, floral arrangement, anything that I do not have already at home that can add a little bit of oomph to my bookcase. That's what I'm going to get. Using wood elements definitely helps tone down the aesthetic if you are a metal, shiny type of person. I love gold and silver mixed metals, but using wood elements and also elements with color will definitely add the pop that you need without having to overdo it. And then, since those items can be pretty bold, you can go in with picture frames and little figurines to act as space fillers. Now, space fillers are basically just little small objects or standalone objects that will help kind of fill that space in whenever you have objects surrounding it that's pretty heavy and gaudy. Now that I have all of the items that I plan on using, I like to lay them out so I can physically see everything that I have. You'll see a variety of things that I'm using between vases, canisters, books, beads, but everything plays a part. I have different heights, different sizes, different shapes, different textures, and I just want everything to flow together and to be aesthetically pleasing. I definitely focus on getting some cheap floral because I definitely wanted greenery incorporated, but I'm not a live plant person, so I did what I had to do to make it work. So I'm starting off with clear bookshelves, free of dust, and I'm just adding my gold canisters here. As you see, they are different in height, but I'm going to add a book underneath the shorter one to give it a little bit of extra height, but to also add a pop of color. Using books as an element to style your bookshelf is a great way to add character. You can find books that are a different height. You can lay them down. You can stand them up. You can find some that are even textured. And you can go to like a Goodwill store or a thrift store and you can find books for a very cheap price. And then I'm going to add my greenery just to kind of liven up the bookshelf. And don't be afraid to layer it up. Take items that normally don't go together, but make them work together. So now that I have all of my statement pieces in place, these are what I call my eye catchers, but I'm going to go in with smaller pieces. This is what I call space fillers, and I'm going to put them in the areas that really don't require too much, being that either right next to that space, above, or underneath is already doing a lot. Remember, when styling, focus on height, focus on symmetry, focus on pops of color and tones and sizes using different shapes. You just really want it to be as cohesive as possible. Take photos of your work. Focus on the picture. See what you can move around. It's all up to you, to be completely honest. Not only do I want my bookshelf to be aesthetically pleasing, but I actually want it to be functional. So I'm adding in some storage wicker baskets, and they have lids on them. That way, if I have any junk that I need to hide, any supplies, I can put it in there. And then I also have my document holders in 2 different sizes stacked on top of one another, which looks great and is also going to hold my important paperwork. And just like that, I'm done styling my home office bookshelves using items that I had pretty much already at home. I love it. I love the balance. I see a lot of texture, tones, color, size. I think it turned out really, really nice. So that's all the tips and tricks that I have for styling a bookcase. And I hope that you can use some of the tips that I actually incorporated into my decor. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up. Don't leave here without becoming a part of the Missy Lynn family. And don't forget to turn on your notification bell, hit that little notification button. That way you never miss another upload. So until next time, beauties, be you, be beautiful, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.